Every day you make promises you need to keep to have the business running. And to be able to keep them, you rely on the performance of your equipment. If your equipment can't perform, you won't be able to deliver as planned. And in turn, your customer satisfaction and profitability will decrease for each minute a machine is at a standstill. With work days that are busy as it is, wouldn't it be nice to have a machine operating at all times without having to worry about it? So that you can focus on what you do best and keep your promises. Well, we've developed a service program that enables you to do just that. Hiab ProCare is a flexible, multi-level service agreement that is carefully designed to secure uptime on all your Hiab equipment. For total peace of mind, we offer ProCare Total Repair and Maintenance. It includes everything you need to avoid downtime at a fixed cost. You get yearly inspections according to an extensive checklist, planned preventive maintenance, corrective and emergency repairs with fast response and provided by our skilled technicians, always with original parts included. We even manage and execute all maintenance and related administration. ProCare provides you with world-class service and extensive support that helps you increase your efficiency and reduce your total cost of ownership by decreasing your downtime, reducing the costs of expensive repairs, and increasing the residual value of equipment due to fully recorded service history. Hiab ProCare gives you that total hassle-free experience, all at a fixed cost. And with Hiab Hi Connect as an optional add-on, you can use the connectivity to get detailed knowledge about the specific condition and usage of the equipment. With original parts, the latest tools and a global network of experts, we support you whenever and wherever you need us. All you need to do is fuel and operate.